Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we will be installing the driver's side door, so let's get right to it. Wow. Well, I can't really close the door until I take the panel off. Oh man, the door's on. Look at that. Nice and fresh. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing now. Gotta take this panel off real quick and then get the wiring in there, and then I can close it, see what it's all about, because I gotta put the original panel on anyway, because this one, I don't know, this one is pretty bad shape actually. It's dirty. Look at this thing, it's nasty. All right, let's go ahead and take this panel off. Fish this in here, pull it out through here, tape this to here. For a closer look, I fished it through here, taped this to here, and now I should slowly pull this right in here. I should pull it out through there. Let's see if it's gonna work. That worked. Okay, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna use a shrink tube. I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna hold it like this with the shrink tube over it, while I'm gonna have another guy shrink tube it for me with the heat gun above. Yeah.
What is this, a check valve or something?
Yeah, check valve. I'm guessing it goes right there usually, but I'm just gonna put it underneath. Looks like it's good. I'm gonna heat it up a little bit more maybe, no?
I don't know, it looks like it started to melt right there actually.
No, it just...
Not the black, but like it's fragile right here.
Yeah, it is.
Alright.
Yeah, we're good, I think, right?
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Solid. Perfect. You guys might be wondering what this is right here. I might be doing a collab video with Igor here regarding this project, so I'm not gonna say much yet, but this is a really cool project he's working on his channel, and we'll do a collab video on this to let you know what it really is. moment of truth. Let's see if everything works. I plugged everything in right. Window, bingo. That works. Seat reclines, back and forth. Suction works. Didn't work before. Perfect. Oh man, this is awesome. This is awesome. Regarding the rear door, I think I'm gonna go ahead and change out the whole door too. Two things, instead of changing out that window as we discussed earlier, is that, or as I discussed earlier, it's gonna be a lot of work doing this. I have to take off the panel anyway on the inside. So might as well just, I guess that's one of the reasons I wanna change the door. And a second thing, these scratches here, they're very deep. They go like right to the metal, so I won't be able to buff them out. And yeah, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the whole door and replace it with the door that I got. So that's the route I think I'm gonna go. And stay tuned for this dent right here. I was gonna call the dent guy to get it out, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and do it myself. And I'm gonna show you why. In this bag, I have like a whole set of tools on removing the dents. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a shot and see how these tools work and see if I can get the dents out myself. So it's gonna be an experiment that I'm gonna be doing. So stay tuned for that in the next video. Viewers, subscribe to my channel to see more of awesomeness. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter.